welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a mail haul and I have so much stuff to share with you guys. I just wanted to do a little bit of an update. I know it's been maybe like a week or two since I had posted a video. Things have been crazy. I've been trying to update you guys as much as possible on like Snapchat and Instagram, but in case you guys don't follow me there, I am opening a new business. Me and Snow bought a location and we are full on renovating the entire place. So I honestly have never worked this much in my entire life, and that's why I haven't been as active with uploading. As you guys know, Snow does my editing and everything, and life is just crazy, but I hope that you guys are doing good. I have missed y'all, and like I said, Instagram, Snapchat, that's kind of how I like keep up with you guys on the daily, but I'll continue, of course, posting YouTube videos and hopefully get back on a more normal schedule as soon as I can. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into these launches. What I'll say is with the whole coronavirus and everything going on, I hope that you guys are staying safe. I feel like that's definitely changed the volume of packages that companies send out, but this week I actually got in quite a bit of packages, so I'm thinking maybe we're on the up and up and I'll be receiving more to review with you guys. I have some really fun giveaways coming. I may or may not have decided to do an extra back to school one just because I love spoiling you guys, and while I've been out shopping, I've been thinking of you guys. And when I say shopping, like shopping for my office, not like leisurely shopping. Okay, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and dive in. What do we want to open first? Okay, so very first packages actually came from Makeup Forever. They sent over two different items, and so I'm gonna share both of them with you. The first one is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. And I do really like the Matte Velvet Foundation. It's been a while since I've used that. Ooh, yes. They actually gave me a Matte Velvet Foundation, which is awesome. So here's the color range. And let's see here. It says introducing the new 24-hour waterproof full coverage concealer that conceals, corrects, and contours. Extra large doe foot applicator and precision tip. And then these again are all the different shades that it comes in. One thing, yep, that I also use all the time is this Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. Sometimes if my skin's looking real good in the summertime, I'll just use that as like a powder foundation, like just that only. But then sometimes I'll actually apply it over my makeup. My makeup probably isn't looking too great today just because I've been on Zoom meetings and stuff, and I have to wear glasses during the day, so I was trying to like touch up, but I don't know, my nose is kind of looking a little bit weird. Anyways, okay, so here is the color range that they sent me. I have 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, and a 4.5. So let's see where those are at on the color scale. So 4.5 is right here, and that's actually pretty dark. So I'm gonna actually swatch a lighter one. I'm gonna do 3.3. Also, 3 is my favorite number, fun fact. I do really like the component though. I mean, it's nice and heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay, just be careful when you very first open it because somehow a little extra got on the applicator and it just came out. This is a full coverage, like, they are not lying. This applicator, you also, I feel like it's so big and it picks up such a good amount of product. You can use it with like both of your eyes and not have to swipe back in. But this is 3.3 and I'm just kind of rubbing this in to see the coverage, but whoa. That is a lot of coverage, which is a good thing. I love a full coverage foundation. And again, they also sent over, whoop, their Matte Velvet Foundation and the powder. So the powder they sent over is R370. I cannot remember what all ones I use. Right now I think I use maybe Y420. I need to see because I could be telling you guys completely wrong, but I will say like love, love, love the Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. It's just like a holy grail for me. I use it all the time. Ooh, I actually really like that color. Let's actually touch up because I know I'm looking real cute today. Like I said, I've been on like Zoom meetings and such. Where is, I don't have the kind of powder brush that I want, but I'm just gonna go in with this brush and kind of touch up. It definitely is leaving me less oily looking, but I love this. I just think it gives such a good look to the skin. It's super full coverage, so if I wanna wear a lighter foundation, I just use the powder foundation as like my normal powder. and love it. Yeah, I really like that color. This is my go-to powder. I've probably been using it consistently for maybe like the last year and a half or so, but I absolutely love that. And thank you, Makeup Forever. And I forgot that it's the first package they sent. Let me grab the next one. The next one came in this beautiful case, and it says Aqua Resist. And so you have smoky eyeshadows. So you have shadows and eyeliners, and y'all, these colors are so beautiful. I'm just gonna swatch like one and see what it looks like. So this is the shade 10 Peony, and this is the Aqua Resist Smoky Shadow. So let's see exactly what it says about this product. It says a 3-in-1 shadow liner and kohl stick, transfer proof, 24-hour waterproof wear. I love that because I hate wearing like a cream shadow and then you open your eyes and then you have like a big old crease in the middle. So it sounds like this is not gonna happen with this one. It's $23, available in 11 different shades. So this is, again, number 10. Here's what it looks like. Ooh, very pretty. It goes on very smooth. There is that color, very shimmery. And you could even too use this as like a base and even put something over top of it. Let's try one more shade that's a little bit darker. So this is number 11, Pink Canyon. Oh, I love this too. I think this is really great for days you don't really want to like take a lot of time with your makeup. You kind of want to just like throw something on and be on the go and it still look really pretty. And then for the eyeliner, this is going to be, ooh la la, I love this like aqua color. So this is in the shade Lagoon. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Whoa. First off, so creamy, super pigmented, and I love this color. It is gorgeous. I don't know if this is like, is it a twist up? Sold. I love this. I love the ones that you can twist up because it's so hard for me to remember to carry a daggone pencil around with me. I wish there were more lip liners that you could just twist up. So yeah, thank you again to Makeup Forever. And then with the color pencil, it says 24-hour waterproof wear as well. 22 bucks, ultra pigmented formula, which, I mean, y'all can see it is very ultra pigmented. So huge thank you again to Makeup Forever. I love their products and so grateful that they sent this over for me to try out. Y'all, I've just missed you and I just feel like I'm back in my element right now doing this video. The next thing we have is from Benefit Club Pink. Thank you, Benefit, for sending this over, and let's see what they sent. Oh la la, we have mascaras. So the first one we have is the Bad Girl Bang Mascara. It says Bigger, Badder, Volumizing Mascara. Then we have the Roller Lash from Benefit. And lastly, we have the They're Real Beyond Mascara. I love the They're Real. It's probably one of my favorite ones and I haven't had it in a while. Y'all, it's been so long since I wore eyelashes. So one of my friend's sisters is getting married this weekend and I'm actually doing her makeup for the wedding, which I'm super excited about. But even more so, I'm excited to get dressed up because it has been so long since I have done anything, put makeup on, put lashes on. I feel like with the whole quarantine thing, I just have been living my best natural self life. But seriously, I haven't put eyelashes on in probably like 5 months. I think it was good to kind of give my lashes a break because, you know, I did lash extensions and then I was all the time doing fake lashes, but I hope that I even remember how to put them on because it's been that long. Okay. Ooh, all right. So next package, where are my scissors? There they are. Came from Bumble and Bumble. Y'all know how much I love their products. My favorite, oh, it's actually right here because I was using it the other day. The Don't Blow It is my favorite. It makes your hair look like you blow dried it even though you're air drying it. I literally just put it on my hair, fell asleep. This is like 2 nights ago. My hair, I mean, this is the same hair since then. And then I also love their hairspray. I don't have that anywhere around here, but it's a really good. So those are my favorite products. And they have some really good surfing products too that I love. So it says used weekly, Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Mask reduces frizz and instantly nourishes to add moisture that lasts up to 72 hours. Yes, please. So this is new. It's the, I know that they have this like product in like shampoos, conditioners, maybe like a leave-in, but this is a mask. So I will definitely have to try it out. I feel like my hair's been a little bit weird lately. I feel like it gets so much greasier than it used to, and I don't know what I've done, but I want it to be back to normal because I hate washing it all the time. Okay, next thing came from Glam Glow. I like keep rambling because it's been a while since I've talked to y'all, but when I decided to do the extra back to school giveaway, I decided to do the next one geared around kids, because I know a lot of you guys that may, you know, that watch my channel, like y'all may have kids that are in school, or maybe you have like a sibling that's in school or whatever it may be. And it was so fun shopping for kids stuff, like more fun than even like, you know, teenagers, college age people, but I got some really cool stuff to give away. Okay, so this is the Hollywood, California Glam Glow. What is this little set? Ooh, glow back in time. Yes, please. It says meet Youth Potion Collagen Boosting Serum. So here's what it looks like. Well, here's the box anyways. Let me take it out. I need to get better on my skincare because my face got burned this weekend, and under this nose foundation is like a lobster. Like, look at this tan, y'all. And I put sunscreen on, but I haven't been out in the sun. Like, me and Snow have a pool at our house, and we have just been so crazy this summer. We've gotten in it like a total of 4 times, which is awful, but I mean, life is just like that right now. So it says, this powerhouse anti-aging peptide serum instantly rejuvenates and helps boost natural collagen for bouncier, smoother, and more youthful, plump skin. So it says you can use it 1 to 3 times a week to buff away dead surface skin cells and environmental pollutants. And it says, have fun getting carded again. I wish. I haven't been carded in so long. I mean, I don't ever really drink that much, but when I do, I feel like I never get carded. Thank you so much to Glam Glow for that package. And I feel like I'm all over the place, so I want to make sure I said thank you to Bumble and Bumble as well. Okay, y'all, so next package actually came from MAC Cosmetics. And it says new powder, ow, I just hit myself in the face. New powder kiss. Y'all can tell I'm all over the place. I'm so hyped for this video today. So they sent over, it looks like a ton of different not mini eyeshadows, but just like their normal eyeshadows. I haven't depotted eyeshadows in so long, but some of these look really pretty. Okay, and then they also sent this along with it. So let's see what we have here. So it says Powder Kiss Lipstick reinvented matte with moisture. Now MAC takes a soft focus matte even further with a new formula for lips and lids. So it can be used as eyeshadow. So it says new Powder Kiss liquid lip color and eyeshadow serve as a comfortable, lightweight, and uniquely shine-free color with a blurred effect. I don't think you could actually use the lip color for eyeshadow. I think it says that they're both. Yeah, so we have a Powder Kiss soft matte eyeshadow, and then we have lipstick separate. I was like, is this a 2-in-1 product? What? So I really love this one. This is just like a very neutral shade, but I think it looks really pretty. It's called What Clout. Am I gonna be able to get this out? Well, I'm gonna swatch it, so I'm just gonna rip the paper. Ooh, okay, so it's just like, again, a very neutral brown. I'm not boring, but this is just like an everyday color for me, which I definitely feel like I would use on the daily when I put makeup on. So there's that color. I didn't really get a whole lot when I swatched it. Let's see here. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more because I feel like I had a little something on my hand and it didn't quite get the effect. So there's that color. Let's see what other colors we have. These actually look really pretty. This one is called Devoted to Chili. And this one is almost like a deeper brown shade, it looks like. Ooh, it's almost has like a, it looks like a burnt red kind of. These are beautiful shades too, especially for fall. Love that. I've got to figure out how I'm doing my makeup this weekend. So Hot right now is the next one. So I'm trying to decide how I'm going to do my makeup because like I said, it's been so long and I just kind of want to get a little crazy with it. This is So Hot right now. Again, definitely has like some orangey undertones for it. This is like my fall palette right here. Yes. And then last one, a lot of the other ones like have more pinky undertones in them. The last one I want to swatch is called Strike a Pose. This kind of reminds me, I can't remember what shade it was that they used to have. And they probably still have it. And you can't really see it that good in the swatch because I'm a little bit tanner. But it's just like a peachy color. So love those. Again, those are the shadows. And then they have a few more in this collection which are more like pinky. So we have this one that's called Fall in Love. As you can see, it's a very pink shade. We have one called Lens Blur, which is like a deep purple. We have a lighter purple called Ripened. Then we have Work, Work, Work. Super like neon looking. And then we have Give a Glam, which I think that looks like a black. Like, is it a black? It looks like a black. Okay, and then in the little pouch, they sent over these Powder Kiss lip colors. I really want to find a neutral one so I can put it on today. Okay, this one looks pretty neutral. Let's see what it looks like. Date Maker. Oh, I love the packaging. It's kind of like a frosted glass. I'm just putting this right on top. It's like one of those lipsticks. It feels so cool because it's like moussey. So I'm excited to try the other colors. But this one again is Date Maker. And then they have like, this one is called Devoted to Chili. Oh! Ha! I think some of them match the eyeshadows. So definitely check these out. I'm not going to swatch all of them and I'll probably save some of them for you guys. But a huge thank you to MAC for sending over this package. MAC, if you guys don't know, is how I like got started in YouTube. I would go to MAC every single weekend whenever I didn't have a lot of makeup. Like I'd never had, I don't want to say high-end makeup. Like my mom used to take me a lot to like Clinique when I was younger to get me like waterproof, not waterproof, but like sweat-proof type foundation because I used to do like competition cheerleading. But at the time I was wearing like a lot of Maybelline and I wasn't super into makeup. I just had like one eyeshadow palette that I used, didn't do my brows or anything like that. And I started going to MAC and this girl, I'll never forget, her name's Ingrid. She does makeup and she's awesome. But she would do my makeup like every weekend. I would go in and like buy whatever the amount of product is that you had to buy and like teach myself. Well, she would kind of teach me how to do my makeup. And so that's how I got started. And then I started watching a lot of YouTube videos and I was like, oh my gosh, like it's so great that you can learn this way. And so I wanted to kind of start a channel for people that were new in makeup and, you know, just wanted to kind of get all the different things and like experiment. So big thank you to MAC. I'm actually going to share a random package with you guys, which is Kendra Scott, because they had a huge sale last weekend. Again, I posted about it on my Instagram. But this is one of 2 orders, but I wanted to show you guys just a couple items. I think most of these items are still in their sale section, but they did this big sale where basically you could go to the sale section and if you got like 2 or more pieces, it was like 25% off. And then if you got, or maybe 20%, then if you got 3 pieces, it was like 40% off. And if you got 4 or more, it was 50% off. So I definitely took advantage. I've not done a lot of shopping for myself in a while. So this was like a big splurge and a big thank you because Snow basically got me a lot of these pieces for our anniversary, which was this week. So these, is there only 3 things in here? No, 4. So this was really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a, is it gonna focus? Okay, it's not gonna focus, but it's this really pretty like, opal pendant type necklace. And then I got 2 rain necklaces, which are my favorite because I love to kind of mess with these through the day when I'm wearing them. All right, come on now. So here's what this one looks like. It's a really pretty berry shade and it's just like one of the like long necklaces that you can wear. So I got it in that color and then I also got it in olive, which I think is going to be a really pretty fall color. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look how pretty that is, y'all. So these might still be available. I'll try to find a link and leave it down below if so. And I'll try to maybe show the other ones in my next video because I will be posting another mail haul next week. So stay tuned for that. And I love you guys. I have missed you so much. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.